The world of FPV drones is rapidly evolving, and DJI is once again set to redefine the skies with the much-anticipated DJI Avata 3. After months of leaks, teasers, and speculation, we finally have confirmed details about the Avata 3, including its official specifications, pricing structure, and release date. For drone enthusiasts, professional filmmakers, and adrenaline-seeking FPV pilots, this marks one of the biggest announcements of 2025 in the drone industry. In this video, we're going to cover absolutely everything you need to know about the DJI Avata 3. From its new design upgrades and flight performance improvements to camera enhancements, battery life boosts, and even how it compares to its predecessor, the DJI Avata 2, this breakdown will leave no stone unturned. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether the DJI Avata 3 is the drone for you and how it's going to shape the FPV landscape for years to come. Before diving into the confirmed details of the Avata 3, it's worth taking a quick look back at how DJI entered the FPV drone market. The original DJI Avata, launched in 2022, was revolutionary in making FPV flying more accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It combined intuitive flight controls, immersive DJI goggles, and strong safety features with a compact sinew-hoop-style design. Then came the DJI Avata 2 in 2024, which built on that foundation with an upgraded camera, stronger battery life, and improved O4 transmission for longer, more reliable flights. The Avata 2 was considered a sweet spot for FPV enthusiasts, compact, powerful, and reliable. But with growing competition from brands like Beta FPV, iFlight, and WalkSnail, DJI needed to once again raise the bar. Enter the DJI Avata 3, the most advanced FPV drone DJI has ever built, officially confirmed to launch in late 2025. The most exciting part of the Avata 3 announcement is the confirmed specifications. DJI has clearly listened to its community and packed in features that push the limits of FPV flying while maintaining DJI's reputation for safety, stability, and cinematic image quality. Here's a breakdown of the key specs that have now been officially confirmed. The DJI Avata 3 comes with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 12 MP resolution, capable of shooting 4K video at 120 frames per second in slow motion, 2.7K at 240 frames per second. HDR video capture and D-Log M color profile are included for professional-grade post-production flexibility. A 155 degrees ultra-wide FOV lens gives FPV pilots that immersive look while still minimizing distortion with DJI's advanced image correction algorithms. Powered by the latest O5 transmission system, the Avata 3 offers a staggering 15 km range, lower latency, and improved anti-interference compared to the O4 system used in Avata 2. One of the most requested upgrades has been longer flight time, and DJI has delivered. The Avata 3 comes with a 2,450 mAh intelligent flight battery, providing up to 25 minutes of flight time in ideal conditions. With a maximum speed of 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in manual mode, the Avata 3 offers thrilling FPV racing-level performance while still being stable enough for smooth cinematic shots. Obstacle avoidance and safety. Unlike its predecessors, the Avata 3 now includes tridirectional obstacle sensing, offering better crash prevention in high-speed flights. DJI has balanced FPV freedom with safety like never before. At around 470 grams, the Avata 3 remains lightweight and portable, but with a reinforced carbon fiber composite frame for added durability against crashes. The Avata 3 will ship with compatibility for the new DJI Goggles 3 and DJI Motion Controller 3, offering more precise and intuitive controls. For many, FPV drones are not just about adrenaline-pumping speed, but also about capturing jaw-dropping aerial footage. The DJI Avata 3 is designed with filmmakers and creators in mind. The 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor is a massive leap forward in low-light performance, allowing pilots to fly during golden hour, twilight, or even at night with reduced noise and better clarity. HDR video capture ensures that high-contrast scenes, such as sunsets over mountains or city lights at night, are rendered with stunning accuracy. The inclusion of 10-bit D-Log M also makes it a powerful tool for professionals who want to grade their footage in post-production. Unlike traditional FPV drones, which often require third-party GoPro mounting, the Avata 3 has a built-in camera system that rivals standalone action cameras. This integration reduces weight, improves aerodynamics, and delivers footage that is automatically stabilized with DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady technologies. When it comes to FPV flying, performance is everything. The Avata 3 pushes the boundaries by increasing top speeds, improving agility, and refining stability. With the DJI Motion Controller 3, beginners can still enjoy simple tilt-to-fly control, while advanced pilots can unleash full manual mode with acrobatic flips, rolls, and dives. The 100 km/h top speed and improved acceleration mean that racers and freestyle pilots alike will find the Avata 3 capable of delivering thrilling experiences. But DJI has also ensured that cinematic pilots who prefer smooth tracking shots can rely on stabilized hovering and precision controls. The upgraded O5 transmission system is a game-changer, offering ultra-low latency for a more immersive FPV experience. Whether flying through forests, abandoned buildings, or wide-open landscapes, the Avata 3 promises a stronger, more reliable connection. Now for the big question: how much does it cost, and when can you buy it? DJI has officially confirmed that the Avata 3 will launch in November 2025, just in time for the holiday season. This makes perfect sense, as DJI has traditionally released drones in the fall to capture both professional and consumer markets during peak demand. As for pricing, the Avata 3 will be available in multiple bundles. Drone only, no goggles or controller, $699. Standard combo, drone plus goggles 3 plus motion controller 3, $1,199. Fly more combo, extra batteries plus charging hub, $1,499. This pricing puts the Avata 3 in line with DJI's premium positioning, but still competitive compared to buying a custom-built FPV rig with similar specs. While the Avata 2 was already an impressive machine, the Avata 3 builds on it in several key ways. Better camera, larger sensor, higher frame rates, and HDR support. Longer flight time, up to 25 minutes versus 23 minutes. Faster speeds, 100 km/h versus 97 km/h. Improved transmission, O5 versus O4 for better range and stability. Obstacle avoidance, now with tridirectional sensing. Stronger build, carbon fiber reinforcement for durability. New accessories, Goggles 3 and Motion Controller 3 with improved ergonomics. For Avata 2 owners, the decision to upgrade will depend on how much value they place on the camera improvements and obstacle avoidance. For new buyers, however, the Avata 3 is easily the best FPV drone to start with in 2025. The FPV drone space has always been split between custom-built racing drones and ready-to-fly consumer drones. DJI's Avata series bridges that gap, offering the thrill of FPV flight with the reliability and safety net of DJI's proven ecosystem. The Avata 3 represents DJI's commitment to innovation in FPV flying. With features like extended flight time, stronger transmission, and a professional-grade camera, it appeals not only to hardcore FPV racers but also to content creators.